Good evening once more. So this is the tutorial on digi24. It's kind of like the ClickBank alternative where you can promote products and then you can get a commission. So if we log in just now, I think I've signed up to this at one point. Never actually used it, to be honest. So view as a vendor, which is basically a person that has a product who puts a product on there, and people can promote it and then they get a commission. But if you're affiliate, which most people watching this video would be, this is the dashboard, earnings, clicks, just your stats really. So I've never really done it. I'd planned to do a video before, but can't remember how I did. And that's log out and then speak English, kind of Scottish joke. You could be Dutch, and then it comes up in that, but we'll change it to English. So here is the help section. Um, just questions people have answered. What is Digi24 Store, the benefits, how it works, the legal stuff. Contact us if it doesn't fit into it. You just put in whatever your question sort of thing. So that is the help section. Business cockpit, I don't even know what that is. Loading up. And then to get paid, then you'd set up your pay account. So it'll be bank account, PayPal, whatever it is. Look at that later. So here's the if the most important thing of a car is an engine or steering wheel, this is at the marketplace. Say you were in weight loss, that this is what you're going to get for selling this, and if you're paid commission, you promote now. Copy promo link. Let's bring up a notepad or something. See what that link is. Goodness. So that's it. You could choose that, but it doesn't really look that good. So what you can do is head over to Bitly, and this is a tracking system. So you log into it, and so I don't know if I've done this before. Create link, you do that, and you would call it health. Was it Zane Health? Say you're sending your email list if you've got one. You just create it, copy, and then click on that. It comes up with that, and there it is, one click because I clicked on it just now to find Digi24. I don't know what it is, if that's it. It's not. Right. So we'll just log into it again. That just asking us to log. So that's at the marketplace. A lot of people don't really know of this section in Digistore24 and also ClickBank. Here is the affiliate support page, and which isn't actually too good. A lot of them are the ones I've seen on ClickBank. It's got an email that they use, and then you can use it. That one doesn't really have it, so it's not really a great to show. So here's a sales page. Now go to that. You do buy now, and then if sign up, you get commission. It's important really to have one of these, which I've got I don't promote health, but if you click on one of the links, that is a landing page. So it's quite smart when it's not working just now. You navigate away. It's a second chance. Put in their email, go on your list, and you can follow up by email. So it's important to probably get that. And here is the sales page. In fact, we just went on to that. I'm doing that for. Let's see. So different sections: digital products, email marketing. It's quite a well-known product. Same idea. Promote now. Get your link. Go to Bitly and then sort it out there. See if this gives us an idea. Yeah, so to get the affiliate tools, we'll do that. Just so put in my name, email. Right, so that the weight loss, obviously that product is maybe I don't know about email lists or whatever, but those in the affiliate marketing companies do perpetual income, which is quite a good product in comparison to a lot of the ones. It's not got a good name, affiliate marketing sometimes, but there is good ones out there. So here's email swipes. So here's the Amazon angle. So they've got the email here, do the subject. You can pick that or that. Hi, first name. So on the system, on your list, that is this computer reads it. It's their names. It says hi, David, for example. So it's got it all here for you. And this bit is the words are just failing me at the moment. The call to action. So your links inside there. So you would copy that and in your email, the click, the paper click, and then put your link in, and then there's different ones. Any good product's going to have that. So a lot of people don't know about that. So that's really important to have. And then there's your account payout and different reporting and things like that nature. So you can promote all different kind of products, fashion, food and drinks. Just put in that and then promote. So you don't have affiliate and support page. It's probably important to look for that. So some of the niches don't have that. This one does. So you go into that and then it's just look. There's banners and stuff that you can use. So you put your name, link, and it'll give you access to all that. So that's how you use digi24 store. It's got different products, some good, some maybe not so good, or some new. But I've got in the description the best business to have that landing page, which is essential. We can build your system for you and a whole lot more. So, encourage you to take a look at that, and I hope you see your insight. Bye bye for now.